Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin right after loading your Emerald save. Go to Movil or Slateport depending on your progress. First actionable step, head to the appropriate house or NPC that grants or hints at the EXP share. Once done, make sure your party has room, remove unwanted items, and carry a low-level Pokémon to test. You need the item equipped or in bag. If you get stuck, retrace steps to the NPC and confirm game version matches walkthrough details. Once you have the EXP share, equip it immediately to the Pokémon you want to benefit, or place it where the game requires for story events. Then trigger a battle, wild or trainer, to verify the effect. You should see experience points split, with the holder gaining full or partial XP depending on generation rules. If you don't, make sure the holder did not faint and party order is correct. Sometimes swapping before battle forces the mechanic to register properly. To complete setup, use the EXP share during routes or in the daycare to distribute XP efficiently across your team. You can swap holders between battles for targeted growth. Make sure you understand why it helps. It speeds up leveling without needing every Pokémon to battle. If something goes wrong, stop and reload your last save, re-equip the item, and check that the holder isn't fainted or affected by game glitches. If problems persist, backtrack to the NPC or event that grants the item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.